2003 Mercedes-Benz SLK 55 AMG, 44,000 miles, hardtop convertible in like new condition. Not a door dang, scratch, or rock chip on this vehicle. This video is going to be kind of long because we're going to show you how the top works. Once again, this is an SL55 AMG hardtop convertible with 44,000. No accidents, 2 owners. Every possible option. Leather seats, massaging seats, heated seats, telescoping steering wheel. Navigation. Everything works. Original mats. Original keys. Here is the Carfax. Alright, we're going to show you right now how the top works. And then the roll bar is going to work. The roll bar works. All right, and we're going to go back up. (2003) Mercedes-Benz SLK 55, 44,000 original miles.